Hi there, it's Mr. Logue, and this is our next maths lesson. We are finding coordinates on a full grid. You've probably done lots of work before using grid coordinates, and this is a full grid where we have x and y, but we have the four quadrants, so the four sections, and as you can see, the sections go into negative numbers as well as positive numbers on this grid. Just a quick few top tips. The horizontal axis, the one that's in line with the horizon, lying down, is the x-axis. We can think x to the dex. The vertical axis, the one that goes up and down, straight up in the air to down to the lowest part, is the y-axis, and we can think y to the sky. Coordinate numbers, we always show the x number before the y number. Think, in the alphabet, x comes before y. Also, some people like to remember it by thinking along the corridor before you go up or down the stairs. Along the corridor before you go up and down the stairs. Right, let's move on to the first question. It's asking us for the coordinate points of M, A, T, H, and it's saying to put an exclamation mark on the grid at -4, 2. So let's remember, we go along the corridor and then up the stairs. Let's go along the corridor to M. So let's go along the x-axis. So we get to -4. And then do we need to go up or down the stairs? No, because it's on 0. So that is -4 and 0. Let's have a look at A. So remember, we go along the corridor before we go up or down the stairs. Do we need to go along the corridor? No, because we start at 0. We don't need to go along, so that's going to be 0. And then we're going to go down the stairs to -3, -3. So A is grid coordinate 0, -3. What about T? Do we need to go along the corridor? No, we're starting at 0 and we don't need to go along the corridor. So we're going to start with 0 and then we're going up the stairs to 2. So 0, 2. What about H? Are we going along the corridor? Yes, we're going to go along the corridor to 3. Are we going up or down the stairs? No, because it's on that 0 line, so it's 3, 0. What about S? Are we going along the corridor? No, it's on the 0 line. Are we going up or down the stairs? No, it's also on the 0 line. That is at grid coordinate 0, 0. Right, let's mark an exclamation mark on at -4, 2. So let's go along the corridor to -4. And then are we going up or down the stairs to 2? We're going up the stairs to 2 and marking it on just about there. What are the coordinate points of P, E, A, R? Mark an L on the grid at 0, 0 and mark an S on the grid at 0, -2. You can pause the video now so you have a go at drawing out your grid and then marking those on. Let's start with P. So what do we do first? Starting at 0, right in the middle of the two axes, we go along the corridor. We're going along to find P at -3. Are we going up or down the stairs? No, we're still on the 0 line, so we're -3 and 0. E. Do we need to go along the corridor? No, because it's on the 0 line. So it's 0, and then we're going up the stairs to 5, 0, 5. What about A? Do we need to go along the corridor? Yes, we're going along the corridor to 1. And then are we going up or down the stairs? No, it's on the 0 line, so it's 1, 0. And R? Are we going along the corridor? No, it's on the 0 line, so 0. Up or down the stairs? We're going down the stairs to -4, so 0, 4. Mark an L on the grid at 0, 0. Well, as you know by now, 0, 0 is right in the middle of the two axes. It's right in the center. 0, 0. And now we mark S on, so 0, -2. So we're not going along the corridor, and we're going down the stairs to -2, which is there. Right, your next step is to use the blank coordinate sheet on the right to create a map of your own using the grid coordinates. You could make a real one in a garden or in a room and get someone to follow the trail. You'll need to agree whether one step on the grid is one footstep that you take or whether it's something different. And then try and mark out a pathway from 4 points. Have the first grid coordinate as your starting point and the fourth one as your finishing point, and you can put something there as a prize for the person that solves it. Okay, hopefully you've enjoyed this lesson. Bye for now.